The advantage of having a large-scale 3D printer in-house, we can just print our CAD files to get the real part in the real scale. It saves a lot of time and cost. You can just do the design, print it, check everything on the frame, maybe do some modifications, print it again and have many loops in a very short time.
Our advantages with the BigRep Pro is definitely the printing time, which gives us the possibility to print 2.5 times faster than the one, and also the possibilities to print different or even more materials with the BigRep Pro. So it's a quite well designed machine.
BigRep ist sehr, sehr hilfsbereit. Gerade wenn man den Drucker neu kauft, gab es nie irgendwie offene Themen, weil wirklich sofort geholfen wurde und wir einfach reibungslos unsere Produkte gestalten konnten.
The BigRep One allows us to do everything what we want. It allows us to produce every design we can imagine.